All right, so today is going to be June 14th, 2019. I took two trades today on AMD. So let's review it really quick. Alrighty, so as you see in the pre-market, AMD is starting to drift down and, it starts pushing up above VWAP. So, kind of had it on my watch list, kind of looking for it. Maybe it was going to have another, sell-off day like yesterday, it's kind of like trend continuing from after hours yesterday. So today it opened up, and as you see, sold off a little bit and then pushed up heavily on strong volume, 300 and actually 3,500,000 shares. So pushed up. I'm expecting this to go for a 5-minute opening range breakup, right? So I'm expecting this to go long, like in the price action here. But, we get a pullback, and then the pullback ends up being an engulfing candle on the 5-minute. So when you come here, all right, so we get a pullback around to these levels, push back up, it's going to go maybe, and then it sells, and then it really sells here. So we have this candle coming through here. Now we have basically what's called an engulfing candle on the 5-minute. So you see a strong up move here. This is going to be an engulfing candle, nice big red candle to take away basically all the gain that this green one had. And I'm in short at 30.57. So let's see real quick. So 30.57, I'm throwing my stop above the wick of this candle here. So as it comes here, comes back up, retested these levels, and starts to sell off, I get short, right? This is basically a fade opportunity because we had this move up. Now this stock is basically selling off everything that it moved up, closing below the moving averages and VWAP here. I make sure I see a retest here, get short at 30.57, and we get this move going down. Now, I got out at 30.50. I just wasn't liking the price action, so let me put this here real quick. I wasn't liking the price action, and to be honest, it only went down to 30, let's say 30.35. That's only, a 15-cent move. It really isn't that big. Well, I'm sorry, a little bit more than 15 cents, kind of like 20 cents. So only roughly like a 20-cent move, and then we get this candle back here to come and retest, my entry and all these levels here, and then it sells off again. I'm really not liking the price action, and if you come over here and you look at the SPY at the time, this is the overall market. This thing's not really doing anything here. It's down, it's back up, it's down, up, down, all around VWAP, nothing's trending. So when you look at AMD, you can get the sense that it's not really going to do much. So we get this move here. I'm expecting this to really, really sell off. Maybe hit this pivot level on the daily here, roughly at $30. So it comes retest, comes and sells off. Now, so I took that. It's not liking the price action again. Took it for a small winner. Now my second trade was on AMD again, and I was entered at 30.37. So let's find this really quick. So 30.37. So I'm getting in. Move this out of the way. I'm getting in. Let me see. It's a continuation move. Roughly here. After we get this retest again, right, and start selling off again, I'm getting short here at 30.37. And again, just not liking the price action at all. I'm basically out of this trade at 30.33. Basically a break-even trade. It does sell off a little bit more to 30.20, but it comes back up and retests VWAP again. So just the price action was rough. Now the trade I think I missed was after the retest of VWAP. So as it comes and pushes back up again into VWAP here, it sells off, retests again. You should get short on this candle right here, because that candle was able to net you a nice win here. So you're risking here, roughly 10 cents, and you could have made 30 cents. So 3-to-1 risk reward going on here. But again, AMD just wasn't moving. I took two stabs at it, not liking the price action, and I didn't take that trade. Not liking the price action, not liking the overall market, the fact that it's going sideways here. So, that's the reason why I took the two trades. I was out quickly, basically a break-even day. I'm up like, let me double check really quick here. I am up $220. The last few days have not been the best for me, but overall on the week I'm up, I think $2,600. So a good week for me. Learning a lot still, but happy I was able to take the winners on this trade here. But it's just really really rough price action. Best trade today probably would have been this little move here. But besides that, you see, kind of just doesn't really do anything the whole entire day. It's not trending in any one direction. It's not going up. It's not going down. It's just kind of grinding along VWAP here. So those are my trades for the day. Up I said 220. So come back on Monday to start a new week.